Good morning. It is Saturday morning. I thought I would get back to you sooner than this, but Noah has been very sick the last few days, like a vomiting bug or I don't know, the flu or something. When your kids are sick, they're just needy, whingy, they want you. That's what we've been dealing with the last few days. I also did like a little TikTok review of this. I feel like my lens is real blurry or something. I did a review of this product on TikTok. I just did like a really quick video of it. It'll be up before this is, but I just want to say how horrendous my skin looks right now when I'm looking at it in this camera in daylight and not on my phone. It just looks shite. So many people are raving about this online and just like doing a swipe and going, ah, wow, woo. I just did it on my face with nothing else underneath, and I actually am looking at my skin wanting to scrub it off. Look at this, like I tried everything to get this working, and on my skin it's just not performing properly. Anyway, it was kind of going viral there on TikTok, commenting how fantastic it was. So I obviously was like, I want to know if this is a fantastic product, I want to try it out. And now I'm looking at my skin and it's on about 5 minutes. I look like I've been wearing my makeup for about 10 hours and my upper lip looks horrendous, and kind of up here it's just so patchy and like coming off. I put a bit down my neck as well, and you can see how patchy that is as well. I did also self tan, so maybe it's just sticking to the self tan. What I'm doing today is sorting out this makeup room. We finally got the plumber over. He moved the radiator, so we have just kind of it where it is right now, and we might think about getting a ladder radiator later on. We just got it moved for now, so Paddy can finally open up his wardrobe, which is great. I still haven't packed my wardrobes because, yeah, the Noah situation. So what I'm going to do is at least try and declutter makeup today, because I mean that's kind of getting rid of one job. I honestly can't take myself serious with this makeup. I look like a clown who's throwing the circus. I need to like preface by saying this, that I really don't want anyone to think that I'm throwing out perfectly good makeup and I should be giving it away or whatever. I do donate makeup all the time, and I know that this is a lot of consumption, but you guys have to remember that this was my job for so many years, and makeup companies sent me makeup out all the time. Sometimes I test it and threw it in this box and, you know, would say I'd come back and decide on it later. I just know I am grateful for all these products that I have received, and if I'm throwing them out, it's for a very good reason. It's not that they couldn't go to a better home, it's just that I think that they're expired, or that I've used them and they're contaminated or whatever. And yeah, so just kind of an FYI before I do this, because I always get these comments when I do declutter videos. People hate that I throw out makeup, or hate that anybody throws out makeup. I've not been wasteful, but let's face it, overconsumption is a massive problem, and brands sending out so many products to one person is just ludicrous, which is why, like I've said, over the years I've just been like, can you please take me off this purely list, take me off this. I'm still on a few, and I say to them like, if there's anything I need I will contact you, and if I do I contact them, but generally I just buy my own stuff. And if I want to review something, I'll buy it and review it. Just know that I have tried my best to use these products as much as I can, or give away as much as I can to people. Let's get into this declutter. I hope that angle's alright. Most of this is probably going in the bin. I have my black bin bag right here. I'm just going to fly through these bits. That shouldn't be in there. I use that all the time. That's the lip injection. I know this first thing here I am going to be dumping is the All Hours foundation. I bought this myself and it is just a horrendous colour. You can't return makeup products in Ireland. I bought this in B50 bin. This is definitely going in the bin. It's the Revolution Pro palette. I've had this for so long. This is so old. I'm not even going to open it because it's definitely expired. All these Pixie products, I absolutely adore Pixie, and they send me these out kind of regularly. So I am going to hold on to these because I haven't used any of this. This is the Glow Tint Cushion. I just threw it in there because it was PR. I am going to try out the Lash Mascara though, because I feel like this PR has been around for quite a while, and I don't hold on to mascaras for too long just for, you know, I know it hasn't been opened or whatever, but I just don't know. I just don't like keeping mascaras for very long. This I'm going to donate, so I'll put that over there. That hasn't been opened. They're powder products. I'll donate them. More NARS. I'll donate. Ooh, what's this? Confidence in a Cream. This is the It Cosmetics. I'm going to put that in my skincare rotation. Definitely going to throw that in the bin. It is the Inglot Illuminating Face and Body Mist. I don't know when I bought that, so gone. This is the YSL Cushion Foundation. I've never used, well, I opened it, I swatched it, and I threw it in this box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe test it out, maybe do a wear test of it. That doesn't tell you anything about it. Yeah, I just think I pulled this back and put my finger in it. So yeah, we'll hang on to her, see what she's like. Noah got hold of this. He actually had it all over the landing one day. This is a loose Inglot palette, like just one of their flexi palettes. So I'll keep that because I can pop little refills into that. Revolution compact with kind of concealery things. This is the matte base concealer kit. I'm gonna get rid of that. Oh, also you can probably see I got my nails done finally. I got them done last night, and I also burnt my finger off my straightener. This is an eyeshadow from a brand, Golden Glow Illuminator. The brand is called Smolder. I know that that has been around for longer than I care to imagine, so I'm gonna bin that. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This was actually something I purchased myself. Never really liked it, so yeah, bin. And my pigments. I know these are only in here because I only saved my MAC pigments when I moved house, and yeah, I don't know, I think I still want to hold on to these. I know they're probably really expired, but I loved these shades. I don't know if I'm ever going to use them again. We might revisit what I'm going to do with them. This is Liqueur, that's from Aldi. Too Legit, I've used that, so I have to get rid of that. Their Real Magnetic Mascara. I don't even think I've opened this. No, I generally don't like to keep mascaras. It doesn't smell funny. Oh, I really hate keeping mascaras just for contamination purposes. I might just see. We'll try it. I might come back to that one. I might like get rid. These are reusable cleansing pads. I actually use these all the time. Not this particular one, but I have other ones, and I'll keep a hold of them. More pigments from MAC. We'll revisit. What do I do with you? Boozy Brunch highlighter from Wet n Wild. Loved this. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh, we'll keep you, we'll keep you, we'll keep you. See, that's why I don't really do this. Wet n Wild, they're unopened. I'll donate. Browsings. That's my old brow product. It's a bit ratchet looking. This is the Makeup Fix Mist from Pixi. I'll keep that. Sure, it's just a makeup spray. What have we got here? Unopened Ren Youth Serum. Oh yeah, I need a youth serum. Keep you. I've used this and I have it quite a long time. It's rose water, so I'm not going to hang on to that. It'll go in the bin. This is an eau de toilette from Rituals. That actually smells really nice. We'll keep that. Sure, it's just a perfume. Too Faced Glitter Glue. You are so old. No, do you know what? That's just too old to be keeping. Another product that's really old, the Blur Stick from Revolution. I don't even know if they make that anymore. Professional. I don't know. It's kind of like a skincare product. I don't want to hold on to like skincare things that may have expired. So bin. That's off a necklace that I had. My Noah necklace. Came from that brand, just if you're wondering. The Balm Springs. These are little powder. Do you know what? I've had this for so long. Like, I don't even know if they make the balm anymore. I just don't want to donate it in case there is something wrong with it. So I'm going to throw it out. There's more Balm. Sexy Mama. Again, they're too old. Rimmel Instant Duo Contour Stick. I've had this for so long. That has to go in the bin. That's just a little brush. Bare Minerals Neutral Eyeshadows will donate. More donations. Bye Bye Dullness. What's this? Glycolic acid. Niacinamide. Yeah, we'll hang on to you. I don't think I have them that long actually, to be honest. On the Glow Super Glow Highlighting Stick. I love the other one of this. I use it all the time, so I might give that to one of my cousins that has fairer skin. I love the other one. Like I said, I use it quite a lot, so we'll keep that one for donations. These MAC products, I don't know what to do with them. They don't take back to MAC anymore, and if they did, it'd be great. It's in the Caitlyn Jenner collection. That's actually really pretty. I thought I'd be getting rid of more than I'm getting rid of. I don't know what you would do with this one. It's kind of like, oh, that's really pretty. Oh, these are probably from like ancient collections. I don't care. I've used them. I can give these to my cousin. Those blushes were never my favorite. They're very powdery. It's LA Girl ones, so I'm getting rid of that. These Gen Nude ones from Bare Minerals. These are actually really nice blushes. I just never reached for them because of the shades. They just weren't really for me. But now I'm kind of into these kind of like pinky, dusky colors. So yeah, look, if I have room for them, I'll try and find somewhere for them. If not, I will give... Oh, that's just a bronzer. I'll keep that. And that's another really pretty blush. Oh, I should be getting rid of more. Definitely won't wear this colour now. No matter how brave I think I'm ever going to be. No, that's just not for me. I'll donate that to my cousins. This, I think, is expired. This is the Beyond Perfecting Clinique Foundation. It's amazing. I'm in the shade 8 Golden Neutral. but I will be donating it. I will be binning it because it's just been on the go for way too long. These were sent to me from Garnier, so I'll keep them because they're unopened and they're just little face masks. Under eye brightening, looks kind of used and I don't know how long it's been open, so no. Anything that goes near the eye, under the eye, onto the eye, and the lips as well. I can't sit with them in case they just give you an infection or something. Flawless Beauty Primer unopened. We'll see what that one's like. I actually need another primer. I just realised that my other one's kind of gone. Sigma Dark Brow Pencil. Sorry if I'm like flying through these and not explaining. That's just a brow pencil. That might actually work for me. All these little eye things, they have to go because they're just so long around that I don't want to chance. Like, I'm definitely not donating them, and you know, like, I'm never probably going to use them, so I have to throw them in the bin because they're just like I said, contaminated possibly. Oh god, that's even separated. It's from Revolution. It's their eye brightening. I just got this one as a contour, and like I said, it's separated. I don't know what these are. Pixie eyeshadows, I think. Oh, they're very dry. I don't think they're going to work anymore. They're dried out, obviously. More eye products that I'm just not going to keep. That's a brush that I need to clean. I can donate that. It's from NARS, unopened. That has to be gotten rid of. It's just one of those other concealer things from Revolution. Unopened. Hyaluronic acid Bye Bye Lines. These are great little finds from IT Cosmetics. Definite these Stila ones have to be dried out. When did I even get these? Oh, they're so dry. And the rest are just kind of eye bits, and yeah, I'll probably just bin the rest of these, to be honest, because they're so long in this box and unopened, and some of them have been, and I don't know what's been used or what hasn't, so I just need to get rid now. So I've decided to keep that Wet n Wild highlighter. I just popped it in here because it fits in there, and then I just put all the pigments from MAC that I've left in here. I need to clean them. I found vanilla as well, and I just kind of quickly cleaned that one up there now. So I need to clean these other ones because they're clearly covered in everything. And then I just kept that Inglot palette back there. These other little bits didn't fit anywhere, so I just put the 4 of them there. This is with all my powders, loose powders, pressed powders. So yeah, look, we'll just see if I get around to using these. And then I need to go through all these drawers again in another couple of months and declutter what I'm no longer using. It's like my worst drawer ever because it's just bronzers and blushes, and I never know what I need or what I don't need. So I really need to spend a bit of time on this drawer and get rid of what I'm not using anymore. I got that box cleared out, and I'm just going to finish up cleaning my office. So I'm going to end this vlog right now so I can edit it, and then I'll do another one next week and we'll just see how we go. I'm liking doing the weekly vlogs, and I'm going to get back into maybe some makeup videos or makeup content. If you guys want to see it, like reviews, just let me know what you want to see. I don't even know what's trending anymore. Like, I'm so out of the loop. And I'm really feeling like I want to take this makeup off because it just looks awful. I've been having really bad luck with face products lately. They just look horrendous. Anyway, and then I need to have a shower as well tonight to wash off that tan. I haven't put tan on in so long. I don't actually really like it on me. I'm just gone off fake tan, like wearing it. I don't know. My battery just went when I was mid-sentence. I have a box of sculpted makeup I still need to do a video on, so we will get around to doing that. Like, I literally have it sitting there about 4 months. I need to sit down and actually film that because I'm dying to try it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm not going to say I hope it wasn't too boring because I know that my life is a bit mundane and boring. I will talk to you all in my next vlog. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye guys.